Dan Williams here, certified reverse mortgage professional. And today, in this reverse mortgage minute or two, I want to talk to you about the non borrowing spouse. So, the non borrowing spouse, it's kind of easy to understand what the definition is. It's exactly as the name says, it's the spouse that is not named on the loan, but it doesn't mean they don't have responsibilities when it comes to the loan. The non-borrowing spouse still has to follow a lot of guidelines in order to qualify and complete a reverse mortgage. We need identifications, occupancy verification, those things. But they also need to be involved in the process, possibly in counseling that they'll have to work with their spouse. So let's say you have a spouse that's 62 and a spouse that's 32. The 32-year-old becomes the non borrowing spouse because they're not of age, but it does affect the math that goes into how much of their equity they can access. So that's an important factor to remember. And typically, the non borrowing spouse becomes the non borrowing spouse only because of age. There are some other exceptions. But, as I mentioned, the only drawback is equity to act, less access to equity, excuse me, which can really affect maybe it's the cash out, the line of credit, etc. But I don't want to overcomplicate things enough. Um, Let me know if you have any questions. The age thing is interesting, and we can get into the details on your specific case if needed. But remember, both spouses do not need to be 62 in order to secure a reverse mortgage. Thanks, and I'm here if you have any questions. Once again, Dan Williams, certified reverse mortgage professional.